QuickBooks is excellent for restaurant accounting, tracking sales, food costs, payroll, tips, and inventory. Here's how to set it up and use it effectively for a restaurant. 1. Choose the right version and setup. Use QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, best for restaurants due to inventory tracking, class tracking, and reporting. During setup, select restaurant or food and beverage industry to get relevant chart of accounts. COAs. 2. Customize chart of accounts and classes. Add categories, food and beverage, COGS, liquor or beer or wine COGS, labor, server wages, kitchen staff, tips liability, delivery fees, etc. Use classes or locations, for example dining room, bar, takeout, delivery, to track revenue and profit by area. 3. Connect POS system. Integrate with popular restaurant POS like Toast, Square for Restaurants, Lightspeed, Clover, or Touch Bistro. Go to Apps, connect your POS. Sales sync daily, revenue, tips, taxes, discounts. 4. Track inventory and COGS. Enable inventory in settings, products and services. Add items, ingredients, menu items with purchase cost and sales price. Use purchase orders for suppliers. Receive inventory, COGS, auto-calculates when sold. 5. Manage payroll and tips. Use QuickBooks, payroll, integrated. Set up tipped employees. Tips are tracked as liability. Reconcile weekly with actual tip payouts. 6. Key reports for restaurants. Run profit and loss by class and location to see which area is most profitable. Inventory valuation summary to monitor food costs. Sales by product and service to identify top-selling items. Cash flow and balance sheet for daily cash management.